I'm Harold Worsham, Pasco, Washington farmer, Worsham Farms. 51 years old, I've been doing this my whole entire life. What we did today is we lifted up a corner machine on a Valley Precision corner. We lifted up the one drive unit, which holds the gearbox, the tire, and the drive. We used 2 jacks for the last event. We used one and it just wasn't safe, so we put 2 jacks on there, which you really need because it's very, very dangerous, very heavy. About 80 yards long. About 80 yards long this pivot is, and it's very heavy and very dangerous when it falls. Costs thousands and thousands of dollars if it fell and hit the ground. Safety is a big issue here. What we've used in the past is the high lift jack, but it didn't have any of the special little components that you guys built for the jack. Base plate that's big, a little deal that inserts up into the 2-inch tube for stability. Safety, efficiency. It looks to me like you can send anybody out here to do this, not just one person that knows the whole deal, but it looks to me like you can send anybody out here safely to get the job done.